Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix parts of your Google Drive. To know how to find a solution about Google Drive problem, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you'll enter to the window of Google Drive. Then we click on force stop and you click OK. After that we click on storage. Here we click clear cache. And in the end you can turn off your phone. You will wait 3 seconds and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.